Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to give you a quick update. I haven't really uploaded anything recently. The reason is we are in the process of a huge move. We currently live in Toronto and we are moving to Winnipeg. My husband got transferred there, so we are all making the move and it's a brand new experience for us. I just recently went there to go house hunting. Otherwise I had never been there before. So we're excited. Also sad. Anyways, so that's why I wanted to give you a quick update. I promise once we have settled into the new home, I'm going to start uploading videos again. So please stay tuned. Click that notification bell so you know when I have uploaded a new video. So I just want to give you a little preview of what's happening in our house right now. So the movers are actually coming and they're going to keep the stuff in storage for a month because we're not actually moving till end of August. So yesterday we had the packers here who packed up all our stuff, and today the movers are going to come take all these things away and then we'll have an empty house. See, oh my gosh, it's like 10 years of life packed into boxes.